Good afternoon everyone, Behzad is here from Code Simplifier Coding School. As I promised, I am back with a new course for you guys. In this video series, we will be building an online order form, as you can see. And here is what we will build by end of this course. And also, we will learn about try and catch, sequential searches, validation, search, insert, delete, binary search, and much more. With that being said, let's get into it. We need to install the Visual Studio community version on our system. If you already have Visual Studio on your system, you could skip this part. In your Google search bar, you just write down download Visual Studio community. It takes you to this website. Click on here. Here is the community version. As you see, it says free download. And here is 2022. So that is okay. If you want to download the 22 version, that is fine. Go ahead, download the file, and remember where you saved the file. Because if the auto installation doesn't run, you need to do it manually, and you need to know where the file has been saved. After downloading the file, follow the installation steps, and when you see this window, it says workloads, make sure you tick off those two checkboxes in this photo. So .NET Desktop Development and Universal Window Platform Development. All rest of those tools are optional. We are not going to use them in this video series, so you could either install them or skip them. That is your call. The installation depends on your system's specification, and it could take a little bit of time. And one more thing I want to add is the developer mode feature. After downloading the Visual Studio, whenever you are going to run the program, an alert window comes up and it asks you to enable your developer mode. If that is the case, just click yes and everything will be set. But if that doesn't come up, you need to do it manually, and I am going to show you how to do it manually. In your search bar, search for settings, then update and security. On your sidebar, scroll down until you see the 4 developers. Once you go into that window, here it says developer mode, make sure it is on. We installed the Visual Studio and enabled the developer mode. We are good to go. Before running the Visual Studio code, create a folder on your desktop to store your projects in it, because we won't be able to run Visual Studio code on FAT32 format memory sticks. Go to your search bar and search for Visual Studio. Create a new project. In this window, just click on it and make sure you choose a C# as your language. The second window, select as Windows, because we are making application for Windows. And the last one is UWP as your console. Then you have the blank app, UW, which includes C#, XAML, Windows, Xbox, UWP, and desktops. That is our target. Then click next. Here is where we are going to name our project. Here is the thing, whatever you name your project, it will be created as a folder which it contains the subfolders inside it. So whatever you name here, it will be name of your project. So we just call it test. The location is where you are going to save this folder. So I recommend you to store it in a folder you created in your last step. So go to your desktop, Visual Studio, select the folder and create. In the last windows, click OK, and everything will be ready for you in a few moments. After taking all of those steps, this is what you should see. In your tab bar, go to View, and here is your Solution Explorer. Click on it and it will open up a window here. Then click on Main Page XAML. Here is what comes next. The bottom window, it shows the code of your XAML, and the top one is the view, or what you will see. In this window, just adjust your screen view, just expand it, come to 3.3 inches, desktop is on 100 scale, that it will be your default screen. Then select debug, x86, and set your local machine. Once everything is ready, just click and wait for the project to be built. On top corner, you see the name of your project, which is test. And here we go back to our Visual Studio and we are going to add something to our project. So sign off greater than, just write down text block / and I will close it down for you. So inside the tag, just write down text, and here is the test text. Save the work, bring up your test again, and as you see, the text has been added to our screen. And that will cover today's video, which was installation and setting up the Visual Studio. As per usual, if you had any difficulties along the way, please write your concern in the comment section, and we will work it out together. In the end, if this video was helpful to you, please like it, and if you are new here too and have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. By subscribing to our channel, it gives us confidence to create more educational videos and share with others. In upcoming videos, we are going to develop our project. Thanks for your time, and I will see you all next week.